Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a witch. Let's start drawing. I start with her face. I draw her eyes. Now I draw her mouth. Then I draw her messy hair. And her witch hat on top of her head.
Double, double, toil and trouble, fire burn and cauldron bubble.
Now let's draw her body with her arm and the rest. And her hand. I draw her high heel boots. She is holding a broom because she is sitting on it and she is flying very high in the sky. Behind her, I draw her cat like this. And her mouth. Finally, I draw the shape of her head with her 2 ears. Now let's draw her body. I draw her 4 legs and her long tail. Finally, I draw the moon in the background. Great! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I use this light cream color for her skin. For her mouth, I use 2 different shades of red. I color her hair with brown.
Double, double, toil and trouble, fire burn and cauldron bubble.
I use this purple marker for her hat. And for her outfit. I use black for the stripe of her witch hat and also for her boots. Yellow. She has a black cat, so I use black for the body of the cat and pink. I'm going to add a little gray here around his face to keep it visible. Then I color his broom with dark brown and light brown. Finally, I color the moon yellow. And I add a little dark blue to the background. Very good! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.